Hello, it's the 29th of July 2018 and yeah, it might be raining a bit, but who cares? This is Coastersaurus.
Hey, hey, find me no love.
Welcome to Legoland. Yep, after the best part of 12 weeks with uninterrupted sunshine, it's actually finally raining, which is blessed relief. It's been very, very hot, and yeah, my garden is now, everything that was green is now brown. But the rain also means that the park's a bit quieter than it normally would be, and the queues are really quite short. We've just come off Ninjago, it was our first ride of the day, and rather than being the usual 40 minutes to an hour, we were on within 20 minutes, so not too bad at all. Also managed to get my highest ever score, 158,000. So if you can beat that, comment below and let me know what you've managed to get. We actually quite enjoy the rainy days at theme parks. It does mean that a lot of people go home, which gives us quite short queues, and we get lots and lots of rides in, which is always a good thing. So while we're here and taking advantage of the shorter than average queues, we're going to head over to the coasters. So we're going to get ourselves on the Dragon. Good ride on the Dragon just there. It's not the best coaster, but the dark ride section that you get before the coaster part is really quite nice. We'll say though, in the rain, it rides an awful lot better. It's quite a lot faster than it is when it's warm. Right, what are we going on now, Peter?
The driving school.
Yay! Haha! Go on then. So here we are on Coast Guard HQ.
I'm a bit worried because he's got full control now. He's got his foot on the pedal and he's steering.
Peter at the wheel.
As long as he doesn't do a Frankton, we're fine.
Under control.
That's it, good boy, keep straight. Oh, they've completely ripped the path up.
Yeah, running next to Coast Guard HQ, we have got building site for the new dark ride. You can't really see a lot because of the fence that's in the way. It's the fence is actually partially transparent, but you can't really see that on the video. There's nothing gone up yet, but they are clearing the site. Yeah, there's certainly a lot of work going on there.
Oh yay, it's working!
Yes, you're right, Peter, it's working.
I love that speedboat.
great ride on Laser Raiders. That means we've actually done all of the biggest queue rides within about 2.5 hours, which ain't bad going. Like I said, as soon as the rain comes out, queues disappear. Making a return to Legoland, the hill train is now back in service. We haven't actually managed to get ourselves on the hill train since the very, very beginning of the 2017 season, so it's good to see that it's back running again. Considering that we actually got to the park quite late today, we did have quite a late start. We've done loads of rides, we've gotten all of the big stuff, and we've just got enough time for one last ride. So we're going to head over to Fairy Tale Brook and finish our day there.
I'm Baby Bear, Daddy, you're Daddy Bear, and you're Mummy Bear. Take that, you nasty wolf! Take that, you nasty wolf!
Thank you for joining us at Legoland today. Despite the rain, well, actually, because of the rain, we've had a really, really good afternoon. We've got on loads of rides, we've done all of the major rides here, all the ones that usually gather big queues of up to an hour or more. We've managed to get all of those done in about 2.5, 3 hours. So really quite good going. Unfortunately though, as the rides are now closed and the park itself is closing, it's time for us to go home. And so until next time, bye-bye. I hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you have, why not subscribe? Then you can be among the first to find out when we upload a new video. Also, if you head over to our Facebook page, you'll be able to find photos and more information of the stuff that we get to on our park visits. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.